Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit pronged magnetic clasps with a hand tool set. So here I have 14mm some pronged magnetic clasps. You can see they've got these long prongs on the back of them. They also get attached with a washer that you guys should have received. So I've got some faux leather here. I'm going to run you through how we're going to fit this. So first off, we need to find out where the holes are going to go, where are these prongs going to go through on the material, and we'll make a marking. So I'm going to take my prong, this is the male one, male side. I'm going to pop this where I want it to be. So I want this to sit right here on the edge. I want to make a marking here for one prong and here for the other prong. With my female, I want to do the same thing. So I want my female to be situated right here. So I'm going to do a marking here and here. And let's have a look. So there are the markings with the pen that I've made of where the prongs are going to go. Now, you want something sharp. I'm going to use a knife like this. You guys can use a scalpel, anything that works. Just be very careful of your fingers as you're cutting through. So we're going to cut two slots down roughly the same sort of width as the prongs. Perfect. And that makes our holes in our material. So now we can take our prongs. So I'm going to take the male side of our clasp, push those prongs through. So push that side in, push this side in, that's it. And the prongs have now come through that material. We can take the washer and place that, there we go, on the back, so the prongs just slot through those holes either side. And this is where we introduce our hand tool set. So you get two anvils and then your fixing tool here. So you'll have a male and a female anvil. Because I'm fixing the male side of our clasp, I'm going to use the female anvil, just like this. And that's going to sit on top, like so. You feel it sort of sit into place. Pop that down there. We can take our fixing tool now, place that over the prongs, and we can hammer that through to fix them in place. And now the prongs have been flattened down, and that is very secure. We'll do the same again on the other side. So I'm going to take the female side now and push those prongs through the holes that I made. I will take my washer, put the washer on the back like so. This time I'm going to get my male anvil, pop my half of the clasp on top, take my tool, place it on top of the prongs and hammer that through. So now we have a female and a male side both secured in place, and they should just snap together like so. And there you have it.